I got the spotlight. YM, come through, all girl, scream. YM, come through, all girl, scream. Man, me the boss, they know it. Can't hold cash, I throw it. Tay baby girl, make her sleep tight. Up on
Meek and Jimmy.
How's everybody doing today? Good. Yeah, so y'all loving school? Yeah. Y'all know that school is important, right? Yeah. In order to be anything that you want to be in life, you have to what? Study to be in school, and what else? Work hard, yes. That's right, because guess what? You can literally be anything that you want, but you have to work hard to get there, right? Because nothing comes easy, right? So right now, I want to introduce you all to my family. I am D'Amica Rochelle, singer, songwriter, rapper, and YouTuber. This is my son. He's a 12-year-old rapper, YM. Say hello, YM. What's up, y'all? This is also my husband and videographer, Jimmy Marley on Facebook, but his name is James Collier. He goes by the name of Bootshot Jimmy. He has a great and outstanding business as far as videography. But yeah, we are YouTubers as well. I know I heard some of you all like, what is y'all's YouTube name? It's Meek and Jimmy on YouTube, which I'm not sure if you all can see it up there, but Meek and Jimmy.
And actually, you guys get to be a part of that YouTube channel today.
Yeah. We have the cameras rolling. Everybody look back and say, hey to the YouTube family.
What up? But gang, 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 good gang, gang. You with the gang. Gang, 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 good gang, gang. You with the gang, 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 good gang, gang. You with the gang. Gang, 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 good gang, gang. You with the gang, 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 good gang, gang. Gang, 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 good gang, gang.
Hey, turn up, girl. Is there any of y'all that inspired to be maybe an artist or a videographer?
Hold on, yeah.
Yeah.
You're not trying to be rude or nothing, but you sound like Cardi B.
I know. That's what's up. I love Cardi B.
My name is YM. I'm a 12-year-old rapper. I'm a full-time student. Stay in school. Y'all gotta get your education.
Yeah.
The way to get to my position or anybody's position you want to get up, you just gotta practice. It takes time, but if you got courage, it's okay. If you practice and practice, you'll get better and better. It's gonna start off hard, but then in the end, it's gonna get easy. So you just gotta keep practicing. How many of y'all play Fortnite? Me. On this one, who wanna win a CD? Who wanna win a CD?
I did a C.
Oh, who know how to do the best Fortnite dance? Me.
We got like 5 minutes, okay? So y'all hold on real quick. So what I want y'all to do is, y'all stand up, take about 5 steps back real quick. 5 steps back real quick.
Don't touch that.
You're not doing a Fortnite dance? Step back a couple.
By the way, I love y'all's music video. Yes, your best music ever. My new favorite song.
Fortnite dance, raise hands. Fortnite dance, raise hands. Okay, guys. On 3, I want to see the best Fortnite dance you got. Spread out, spread out, spread out, spread out, spread out, spread out. Tight. You guys give me a round of applause. Come up real quick. whoever's in the Fortnite dance, come see me real quick.
Y'all is good.
Single. This is his new single, Fortnite. All you guys
That's awesome, man.
and she got spread out, spread out, spread out, spread out, spread out, spread out. All right. 1, 2, 3. That's it. Alright, you guys give them a round of applause. Come see me real quick. Single?
Yes.
This is a new single. Fortnite.
That's awesome, man.
Hey, flossing. Okay.
Okay, good job, good job.
Hey.
Okay.
Hey.
Hey. See what you got, see what you got. Give us y'all. There you go.
Yeah. Clap it up for everybody that participated. Clap it up.
Y'all think he won? What about him? What about him?
Good job, good job.
What about him?
So it sounds like a little tie.
Like a tie.
Oh, we got a tie. How many? Oh.
But it's 3 of them.
Y'all vote. I know. Where you go?
Great job. One round of applause.
Hey.
3. And 3.
Hey,
Hey boy, yeah, you already know I'm busting this for that, bro.
hey,
Though I ain't try me.
I'm a god at
We up
Fortnite.
there.
I'm a god at Fortnite.
Get.
Hey, hey.
YM, come through. All girls scream. YM, come through. All girls scream. None me the boss, they know it. Can't hold cash, I throw it. Vamping all night on Fortnite. Everybody know I got the spotlight. YM, come through. All girls scream. YM, come through. All girls scream. Man, me the boss, they know it. Can't hold cash, I throw it. Tay baby girl, make her sleep tight. Up all night on Fortnite. Up all night like a vamp. Keep it moving, don't count. YM shine like a lamp. Heads keep sticking like a stamp. Move all day, getting cramps. Swag just like a cheat code. You already know I'm in beast mode.
You copy that, get that tenfold.
YM, don't play. Flossing all day. Catch you slipping. Might take your babe. Your girl, so fine. Your girl, my kind. She gon' be mine. Be mine in no time. YM, come through. All girls scream. YM, come through. All girls scream. Man, me the boss, they know it. Can't hold cash, I throw it. Vamping all night on Fortnite. Everybody know I got the spotlight. YM, come through. All girls scream. YM, come through. All girls scream. Man, me the boss, they know it.